Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable and use the gesture navigation on this device. Go to settings, tap on the option display. Simply scroll down, here you can see the option navigation bar. Tap on this one. Now the button gestures is selected, that's why you can see the buttons at the bottom. If you want to enable or use the gesture navigation, select the option swipe gestures. Now you can see that buttons are hidden from the bottom tab. Now let me show you how to use this one. Here also you can see a small demo. So simply directly if you want to go to the home page, swipe up from the bottom tab. Like this. Successfully we directly went back to the home page. If you want to go to the recent application, swipe up from the bottom tab and hold it. If you want to go to the back page, swipe inwards from the left side or right side. Okay. So simply in this way we can enable and use the navigation bar on this device. Gesture navigation remove on-screen buttons and give you more screen space. It also provides a modern smartphone navigation experience. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.